Alright, y'all, welcome to our channel. I got a review for y'all today. We got this bad boy here. Me and my girl got a baby on the way. He due this month. So we decided to get the Doona car seat stroller. So this is the car seat that turns to a stroller. And I'm gonna show y'all how to hook the base up. I'm gonna show y'all important things about it, how you have to do it. So we're gonna get in with this review. So just a little tip on some stuff I'm about to start doing on the channel. About to start doing like our smart home thing, showing how the smart home works. So look out for that video. I'll show y'all how to hook up everything baby friendly with a smart home Alexa and Google Home or whoever you want to use, smart thing. Like we got the smart ice box right here behind me. So I'm gonna show y'all some cool ways to run your whole house off of that. I ain't gonna say it's cheap, but it ain't high if you do it yourself and not pay somebody else. But we're gonna get in to unboxing this car seat slash stroller. I already have it open, so I'm gonna come back and we're gonna show y'all how this works. Okay, everybody, let's get this started. I'm gonna show y'all how to control this and make this operate like this, because it's kind of difficult when you get it out the box. So when you get it out the box, I'm gonna show you how it's gonna look out the box. So there's a red button back here that you push and you fold it down like this. So this is how it comes out the box. Okay, let's start in the inside. They got your infant head cushion, keep their head from bobbing side to side. Your chest straps, but you need to keep these right along the nipples of a child in any car seat. That's the rule. So you're gonna keep this up and place that armpit level right above the nipples. It even says on the chest strap. This is down by the leg strap. Regular red button. Push it in. They pop out. And if it's too tight or loose right here on the baby, you hold this and pull to tighten, or pull here to tighten while holding the gray button. So there's a gray button right here that y'all see. Okay, so this is how you get it into stroller mode. So in stroller mode, there's a gray button on each side that you put your thumb on each side. Pull forward. Okay, without this forward, the handrail will never come up. So there's a gray button right here to pull this up, but it don't never come up unless you have the arm facing forward. So you'll come to the back once you got it facing forward. There's a red button on the back, right here. You're gonna push that button. The wheel's gonna drop, and she goes like that. You spin her around. There's a go mode and a stop. Now she's locked. She can't go nowhere. Hit your go mode, she unloose. Okay? So now, let's close it back. And I'm gonna show you how you put it in the base. So I hold the red button at the back to close it back down. So you're gonna hit your gray button. Now you're in the mode to go back in the car. So when you put it in the car, in the base, I'm gonna show y'all how to set that up too. You're gonna put this part facing the seat. The belt buckle, the car seat belt, sorry, will go across into these two slots, lock in on top of the child. This part will be braced against the seat. And I'm gonna go back and show you how to hook the base up. And I already went over how to hook them up right here. So now we're gonna get to the base. I know y'all wondering why I'm in the baby's room, but give a little story. We got him in our closet. We got a new house, big walk-in closet, so we put him in our bedroom. So we won't have to walk upstairs to his bedroom. So he do have a bedroom upstairs. We just don't want to walk back and forth putting him up there. So we set him up in our closet. Nice white bed with changer and a dresser we got off of Amazon. I think all this came off Amazon or Walmart, but we're gonna get back to the base and I'm gonna go in the car and show y'all how to hook that part up. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So this is your base right here. You're gonna unwrap your base. Your base have a level on it, and it's gonna have like a little bead. You keep it in the green. You're gonna sit it on the seat and spin this. This controller go up or down. So you spin it counterclockwise, it's going to go down. And you go clockwise, it's gonna go up. or opposite, whatever. So he's in the green. This is what's going, don't look like your regular clamp on your old car seats, older model car seat. This one is kind of new to me. So there's a hook on each side of the car that has like a car seat symbol on it. Like right here, my car seat symbol is right here. And I'm using our work car because it's the only one in the garage. So this one is kind of dirty in the inside, but we have car seats in every car. So just in case we in another car, we keep a car seat in each one. So we're gonna order extra bases and we're gonna put this base in every car. So we're gonna have 3 bases. And so whenever we in a car, whatever car we're taking for the day, we ain't gotta switch the base. But y'all don't have to do that. That's what we doing. But anyways, you're gonna take this and you're gonna fill this side up. They're gonna say up on one side. There's a hook in there. And you pull the seat up a little bit and you push this opening right here onto that hook. And you're gonna know you got it because it ain't gonna come back out of there. And that red button on there is to pull it off. So right now I'm locked on there and I gotta pull it off because I'm on the wrong side. So you gotta go inside of these 2 openings. I'm gonna put it back in there with the upside up. It's locked in. I'm gonna take this right here, the extra ends, and pull the slack out. And the way I pull the slack out is I lean all my weight on it and then I pull. So I lean all my weight, pull it tight, pull the extra out through this hole and leave it hanging. So early in the video, I told y'all that y'all had to leave the handle of the car seat facing here. This is why. It's loose. So it's tight on this end, but loose on this end. So when you hit the gas, it's gonna wanna do that. I'm gonna show you what we gotta do to fix that. So I'm gonna come in, I bring the car seat, I gotta close it. So I close it, I'm gonna put it back in. Okay, so I got it closed. Come in with the car seat. And it locks in like that. So you want to give it a pull and make sure she's locked in. Okay. And so long as you have this facing towards the seat, you're good. That's the farthest they go down. So if you go to hit the gas, this arm hits here, keep the baby from flopping all the way forward. You take this seat belt, and it's something you have to do. Please do not skip this step. I hate people that don't strap their babies in right. Because those kids don't actually come here. Let's remember that. We bring them here. So you're gonna loosen this up loose as you can. And you're gonna pass that through there, through that hook. And there's another hook just like that one on the other side. Hook. You're gonna pull that tight. You're gonna be right over where the baby sits. Gonna be right over him or her. So now, when you do hit the brakes, the seatbelt will lock up like it's supposed to and keep the car seat extra strength from going that way. So it's just extra, just in case you hit something hard and the seat might want to pop out of the, because this is all plastic. If you hit something hard enough, this will come out of there. No, every car seat. This is not built with grade A metal. This is all plastic. So everything helps. This little extra could save your kid's life. And it's right here. It's showing proof. This is what you gotta do. This is the proof in the pudding. So that is a diagram showing how to put the seatbelt on. And that, there, you're locked in. We're gonna reverse the process of taking it out. You're gonna hit that button and release it. Need hell back there. We're gonna hit that red button. And there's a gray button right here. I gotta show y'all that, because I just learned that part. Got the car seat out. Take the red button, turn it into a stroller. And right here, when you put that car seat in there, this gray piece is gonna pop out. Our white piece, it's gonna pop out. And then when you wanna take the car seat out, you push that in and the seat pops out. And you're all ready to go.